Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create inventory assemblies in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the first thing you need to do is actually turn on inventory features. The way you go about this, you come here, click on edit, and then you come over here, you click on preferences, the last option, okay? And then you come here, items and inventory, click on company preferences. So this one is in multi-user mode, that's okay, I'll just show you. So this one, make sure it's toggled on. Inventory and purchase orders are active. This one needs to be toggled on. Then hit OK. Make sure it's saved, right? So we'll go ahead and close this now. Okay. So after you're done with this, then you need to create or verify your component items. So you can come here to lists, click on item list, and then you just go and go to the inventory part. Okay. So click item here in the drop down. You look for inventory, and you basically need to go ahead and you fill out, your item number, your name, your cost, your COGS account, things like that. Okay. So here, you can go ahead and look for that. Okay. You can add new items as well. I'll go ahead and close this now. What we'll do now is create the inventory assembly item, right? So let me show you. So the way you go, you come here to list, item list. Okay, here item, you click here, click on new. You choose inventory part, you can choose inventory assembly. So here is to add the parts that I was talking about. Here's to add the inventory assembly, click on that. And you just fill in these details, okay? And then you just go ahead and save it. And you've created your, inventory assembly item. It's really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.